Good morning, dear children. How are you all? Nanda ma'am is here with a small paper folding activity for you. Okay? In your drawing book, you can write this title, children: Fold and Mold. Alright? So, let us do some new paper folding activity today. Take any colored paper. Ma'am has taken orange color. Okay, this is a square. This is your square colored craft paper. Please turn it over and hold the two corners. Alright, hold it by the corner and then corner to corner. Fold it like this, corner to corner. The corners have touched. Now press and fold it. Once this is folded, what is the new shape? Triangle. What is the new shape? Triangle. Hold it by the two top corners again, not this side. This corner, and fold it again, corner to corner. Press the paper again. Once again, we will get a triangle. We will be getting a triangle. Now, open the triangle. Can you see this line in the middle? Please request Mama or Papa to cut it on this line for you. So now you have two triangles, correct? Here and here. Okay, children, now hold your triangle like this, the flat side on the top. Turn it this corner, fold it. Okay, similarly this side, fold it. Have you folded this? Both these little things, we will fold it up, and here fold it back. Alright, done. Now take your Fevicol and this also, the chin. Fold it, stick it. You can stick this open side, and here stick it like this. Okay, done. Now for the other paper, open it and turn it. So we have the white side outside, white side. Alright, children, look. Once again, we are going by the top line. Now fold it down. Similarly, on the other side, fold it down and press it. In this one, the fold went up. In this, the fold is coming down. Similarly, on the chin, fold it back. Similarly, on the chin, fold it back. And once again, turn it, dab of Fevicol and stick it. Can you guess, children, what are we trying to do? This with the ears up will be your pet cat, and this with the ears folded down will be your pet dog. Now, time for us to take out our black color pencil. Now, here, let me make my pet cat's eyes. Yes. and a little nose. Okay, and the mouth and the smile. And what does the pet cat have, children? Can you tell me? It has whiskers. It has whiskers, children. And some pet cats have stripes on their body. So, you can make stripes. Some pet cats, many cats have stripes on their body. So, you can make some stripes also. Alright? And how about making the body of your cat? Alright? Here, make the legs. Alright? And here is the body coming in. Alright? And here your pet cat has a long tail. You can color it orange or yellow or golden, and don't forget to make more stripes on your cat's body. Now here for the dog, let us make the eyes again. And the nose. And some dots, but no whiskers like the cat. Okay? Your cat's ears are going up and your doggy's ears are going down. Alright? But this is a special kind of a dog. He is a Dalmatian. Dalmatian means he has black dots on his body. Alright? Here we are making some dots. And let us make his body too. Alright? Like this. And here. And you know your dog likes to wag his tail. Alright? Make some more dots on his body. Dalmatians are white dogs, children, but they have black dots. It's a special kind of a dog. Alright. So there your dog and cat are ready. Remember, the cat's ears will be folded up and your dog's ears will be folded down. And if you enjoyed this, there is one more fold and mold activity for you. Take any color craft paper, children. This is a square. Color side out. First you fold it into half like this. From square to rectangle. Okay. Now can you see this line in between? Okay. We are going to fold the paper again to this line. And this also towards this line. Press the folds properly, children. You have to press it. Okay, and look, this is your cupboard. And what are you going to keep in your cupboard, children? This is your toy cupboard. So what are we going to do? If you have a pen, you can make the two handles. Look, your cupboard door is opening, shutting. This is your toy cupboard. And inside, make the shelves. Did you see, children? I made shelves in your cupboard. Now, with your color pencils, you can draw all your toys. Your ball, teddies, stuffed animals, cars, bats, dolls. You have so many toys at home. Please draw and color your toys with your color pencils on the shelf. Okay? And then you can post a picture. Look at my toy cupboard. Alright. So children, I am going to stick this also in the drawing book. Alright. Yes, my toy cupboard is ready. There. Alright children, today I showed you a cat, a dog and your toy cupboard, all done with paper. Which did you like the best? You can make any one. If you liked all of them, you can make all three of them. I leave it to you whether you want to make one or you want to make all of them. But do stick it in your drawing book and please send me a photo. Alright? Have fun. Bye. This kind of activity is very good for your fingers, children. It will help you to develop good writing skills. Alright? Have fun. Bye.